DoorDash Direct is a digital banking solution that allows Dashers to access their earnings quickly. As of 2024, you can transfer funds almost instantly to Cash App and other platforms. Before connecting the platforms, you must verify your identity on both DoorDash Direct and Cash App. This includes enabling two-factor authentication for enhanced security. To link your accounts, you'll need to add DoorDash Direct as an external bank account in Cash App. This requires the routing and account numbers from your DoorDash Direct account. After linking, you'll need to complete micro deposit verification. This process typically takes 1 to 2 business days and involves confirming small test deposits sent to your DoorDash Direct account. Once connected, you can initiate transfers directly from Cash App. Keep in mind that daily and monthly transfer limits apply, typically ranging from $2,500 to $7,500, depending on your verification level. Once your accounts are connected, transferring funds from DoorDash Direct to Cash App is straightforward. You have 2 main transfer options to choose from. You can choose between standard transfers that take 1 to 3 business days at no cost, or instant transfers that complete within minutes, but charge a fee typically ranging from 99 cents to $2.99. Based on user data, the average Dasher transfers funds 2 to 3 times per week, with most transfers ranging from $50 to $300 per transaction. Peak transfer times typically occur immediately after DoorDash's busiest hours, such as lunch and dinner periods, when Dashers have completed their deliveries and want to access their earnings. If you encounter issues, failed transfers can usually be resolved by re-verifying your account information. Delayed processing often occurs during bank holidays or system maintenance windows. By using DoorDash Direct to Cash App transfers, Dashers gain improved financial flexibility, faster access to earnings, and more efficient income management for their gig economy work.